Alright, and hello everyone, welcome to a new Indian, and today in this video, man, I'm just gonna rework it on another angle. 3, 2, 1, go. Hello everyone and welcome to a new... What is that? What is that? Man, what the f... They're gonna... Hello guys and welcome to a new video, and in today's video we will check out our new Gorilla Tech update. Yes, I'm late again because I don't live in the USA, but who cares? The important thing right now is to check out the update, but of course I'm not alone. So yeah, let's just read out the names. Batman! Alright, go away. Mr. Vix! He's bald today.
What should I say?
Bald. Bald. Basketball.
You guys like my shiny head?
Alright, go away. Tripping.
Why am I now always last?
Because of the ghost video!
I'm taking him on a date. Come on.
Go away.
Exactly.
Alright, when can I be first again? Tell me when.
Never! Go! Go! I was disappointed in you.
I'm gonna stop, man.
Alright, and now it's time to get in the update. I will fire Batman, I will fire Batman, and I will fire Batman. Alright, tripping is gone again, but this is the message of the day. I'm starting. One of the most requested features is now live. Ranked mode.
They see me rolling, they hating.
Minded players follow the signs in city. Okay, a new map I think. Who's next? It's enough! Who's next? Just read it out, Batman.
Screw you guys.
Read it out! Alright.
Feel good.
Listen, here's a glass for you guys. I didn't see it. Mini treat, you wanna tag? Metro City is back! Let's go! Alright. Is this Fortnite?
Fortnite Battle Pass. I just shit out my ass.
That one fish. Is that K9's cousin?
That's K9's cousin.
Free.
And looks sick. Give me that.
Yes, I need it. Okay,
Yes,
so
I need it. I wanna wear it though. And his name is Monkey Cena.
I wanna buy everything here. Everything.
Sabir,
Huh?
All we need
come
is.
over here.
Ah!
How much money do I have?
Sabir!
I have enough. But how much do I
What
have
is that?
for?
Can I marry you? Alright, where is he?
Ice cream!
Wait.
Wait a
How
second.
long until?
That's
faces?
still here. Wait a second. That
Mhm.
is that Pennywise from Brawl Store? Oh, what is this? Oh, this is a lighter, like you know, like these. Alright, listen. I think I'm gonna buy the Fortnite fish, man.
Hey, Sabir, you see this? You see this little marshmallow,
Yes.
right?
Yeah, I
You
see.
see this little marshmallow, right?
Oh! Let's go! What about me?
No, I'm putting it in yours.
Can you get a? Oh.
I'm gonna do the most hated thing on my channel that I never posted yet. Fashion. Dress up, lady!
What the Vix do?
Alright. What the heck? Okay, anyways. Everyone line up. That's enough. Time out. That's all. That's all you get. Line up. I'm in the middle because I'm in the thick of it.
Everybody knows.
How did you know? Okay. Hey guys, here are the numbers of our heads. write down in the comments who's the ugliest. That's something we will do every update. I don't care. Oh, I broke my neck. Okay, anyways, I think that's enough of fashion. But before we get to the new map, I swear if you do this thing one more. But before we get to the maps, smash this like button, smash the subscribe button, smash the comment button, smash the share button, smash the smash. Alright, and that's all. We are gonna go straight up today. Not mini games.
Guys, we forgot about something. Guys, we forgot about something. We forgot about something. We forgot about something.
Liar, you didn't want to do it.
What the hell?
Frankly, this is hideous.
Yo, Chai, you want some gifts? Yo, guys, you want some gifts? Sabi!
Oh yeah.
Don't get on the ground.
Oh.
Die taking them.
Anyways, guys, smash everything, smash your mom. No. Don't do the last thing I said, and let's get straight up to the video. So, hey, it said on the sign, it said on the sign in city something. Where should we go? Atrium. Where is it? Why is it named Atrium Blocks?
Guys, rank this year!
Ranked. Eh? Oh, yeah. Oh, ranked. Chigiri bang.
Any current room will be disconnected. Guys, I'm lagging so bad.
Oh, what the hell? Where the? Where am I? 3 minutes rematching. Oh my gosh, what is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? Everyone's bronze here. Man, I couldn't be me. Like, I'm definitely not bronze, bro. I just joined Gorilla Tag.
Oh crap! What is everybody?
I will jump scare you. Wait. Let me tag you. If you let me tag you, you win nothing. Yeah, you see. Oh, what the hell is this? Why is it raining yellow circles, oranges? What are the hell? Bob. Why is your name Bob, man? Oh, it's starting. Who's that cowboy hat? What you doing? Is he the only tagger, or is there more taggers? Why are you looking at me like that? Hello? Why are you looking at me like that? You still didn't answer me that. You know what? Bro, you know that this is ranked, right? You gotta tag us. I don't see your sign language or whatever the hell. What do you mean no? Just yap. You have mouth, you have a lip, you have a leg. Ah! Oh my gosh. Why are there so much gorillas after me? Like, one is already too much. Oh my gosh. If I win this, I don't know.
Oh, what's up?
What are you? K9X happy looking at mix?
Wait, can you extend your arms?
No, I can't. Where are those people? Because the city needs me. Man, what the hell? Tagged person! You down there on the grass! Why are you looking at me like that? Ah! You didn't even warn me, man.
Yeah, no one should.
You're bronze? I'm unreal, bro. Trust me. I am unreal, bro. Trust me. In a bronze lobby, of course I'm unreal. I'm kidding, bro. I'm not unreal. I'm kidding.
Why are you reporting people?
I've had enough. I've had enough.